Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? It's all about physics. Like and subscribe the channel. Here I discuss some question related to topic friction. First of all, I define the term friction. The force that opposes the motion of moving object is called friction, and friction is depend on two factors: nature of two surfaces in contact and pressing force between the surfaces. Okay, define the limiting friction and write its formula. The maximum value of friction is known as force of limiting friction, and it is denoted by Fs, and Fs is equal to mu r. Here this mu is known as coefficient of friction. The ratio between the force of limiting friction Fs and the normal reaction R is constant, and this constant is known as coefficient of friction, and normal reaction R is equal to mg. Next, what is rolling and sliding friction? Rolling friction is the force of friction between a rolling body and a surface over which it rolls, while sliding friction is a force of friction between a sliding body and a surface over which it slides. Write an advantage and disadvantage of friction. Friction help us to ride and to walk. Birds can fly with friction, and friction is undesirable when moving at high speed. Energy is lost in form of heat. Wear and tear of machines happen due to friction. Now there are methods to reduce friction: making the sliding surface smooth, making the fast moving object as a streamlined shape, lubricating the sliding surfaces using ball bearing and roller bearings. Thanks for listening.